Hello, this is Tim Powers here. Just like to introduce you to the new week and tell you about our open house on Thursday. So obviously we're in different times and we have a different open house for you. So introduce Mr. Derek Lee, our Dean of Studies Instruction. So Derek, what's the open house going to be like this year?
So open house will be a virtual open house, and you will get a link in your email, of a link for every single class that your student is enrolled in, not including study halls. And what you do is you join the meeting with those links, and you will be in a class for about 10 minutes long, with 5 minutes in between each class to give you time to log in to the next class. Teachers will be talking about expectations and procedures for the upcoming school year, and possibly, if there's time towards the end of that 10-minute segment, there'll be time for some Q&A. If you want to talk a little bit more at length with the teachers about your individual student, you would follow up and send an email to your students' teachers to set that up.
All right, so looking forward to it. It'll be a little bit of a different scenario, a different way for you to be able to connect and to meet your child's teacher, but at least Thursday we'll be able to put a name with a face, and we look forward to the day we can come back on campus. Thank you.